Greetings. Now, just changing the belt on the lawn tractor. Problem is one of these pulleys was not spinning right. So what I did, I soaked them in oil overnight. But now really, oil won't last very long. So what I want to do, I don't want to ruin another belt. Seems to be spinning good. We're going to pack it with grease using a vacuum cleaner. So you just take some white leafing grease here, or any grease will do. The thinner grease the better. And you fill around. Now you should use a bearing packer, but the factory that makes these bearings anticipated that. And what did they do? They put holes so you don't use them. Isn't that nice of them? So now how do you do it? Here. Turn on your vacuum cleaner. And there we go, it's all greased. You can see the grease coming out the other side. Like I said, they put a hole inside here so you can't get one of those grease packer units. Now all of these idle screws have the same problem. They just fill up over time, dry out, and every time you change the belt, really you should just re-grease these, and it's a simple method I found that works the best. Let's do this again. And that's it. I could go about doing all of them, but you get the idea. So every time you change the belt, maybe you want to pack your bearings and make sure that belt lasts as long as possible. Thanks for listening to me.